So we are in token 2049 in freaking Dubai, all right? So look the weather, finally, it's nice. Look around, look where we are, in the freaking paradise, all right? So let's go inside and let's explore and let's see what's happening. Here we are just, this is the part 1 where everybody get registered. So right here is the registration, you can see, it's crazy. All right, it's here, we can see all the, how many sponsors you have, just look at that, that's crazy, all right? And now, that's the big thing. Everybody taking picture and we're going inside right now. Let's explore. So, tell the audience, except crypto, what do you do in your life?
Maybe I'll do a quick introduction. My name is Herbert Sim, thebitcoinman.com. So it's a venture capital that I founded in 2016. Okay, and prior to that, I was the founder of the world's first repository for compiling blockchain research papers called Crypto Chain University in 2010.
I'm here with a very, very popular lady of crypto actually.
Pretty much the only thing else I have time for. I do a lot of work in the gym, and I think that even though it's outside of crypto, it links back for crypto for me. So it keeps me having a nice clear head. It makes me relax, and it just keeps me level. So when I come back to crypto, I can think clearly and I can do everything that I need to do.
So I'm here with amazing Megan right here. So Megan, tell me, everybody who is watching, how is your life?
Wow.
A little different from crypto. Like, are you happy or not happy? I know everybody going to ask you what's your favorite token and everything, but let's do different. What do you do to get out your brain from crypto?
I wasn't expecting this question. Actually,
I know.
It's a really good question because I often just don't get out of my brain from crypto. It's like live, breathe, and eat this place, but I absolutely love it. It like gives me joy to wake up and do my job. And we have a lot of ups and downs, and you know, it's tiring because we're on the road 24/7, but like I wouldn't trade it for the world. Like I'm so happy to be here, and I just like, I'd wake up every day super excited about the world.